Now let us learn about difference of sets. So how we are going to difference of the sets? Difference is nothing but subtraction of sets. So by taking of example, let us solve them. For example, A is a set of 3, 4, 5, 6 and B is a set of 4, 5, 7, 8. Now, how to find A minus B? See here, in the place of A, let us write A minus difference B, elements of B, 4, 5, 7, 8. Now we are subtracting. When the element is observed the same in both the sets, we have to eliminate or subtract. For example, 3. There is no 3. So the next 4. Yes, we can able to observe 4 and 4 in both the sets. Next 5, 5. Next 6, not. So after subtracting, we should consider the elements which are remaining only from the A, because we remove the B, means there is no B, only A. Whatever the elements are present in A, we should consider. They are 3 and 6. Through Venn diagram, how we are going to find A minus B, or how we have to represent A minus B, let us see. Here, what are the first common elements? What are the common elements? 4, 5. 4 and 5. So let me represent the common part where is 4, 5. The remaining 4, 5 remaining are 3 and 6. Next, the remaining elements of B is 7, 8. So what are the elements of A? 3, 4, 5, 6. And what are the elements of B? 4, 5, 7, 8. Now, what we are doing here? We are removing the B. When we are removing the B, let you shape the remaining part of A. What is the remaining part? Yes. This is what the remaining part. So, this, what is the? It is removed. So, what is left here? This is what the remaining part. So, A minus B can be represented as the next. What are the elements are left here in this part? They are 3, 4. So we don't want the B because B is subtracted from A. The remaining part of A can be considered as A minus B. If we take A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7, then how we can represent a B minus A? Previously we did A minus B. Now let us do B minus A. So what is B minus A? So let you take the elements of B first. B elements 2, 3, 5, 7 minus A elements. So what are the elements of A? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here the common elements. So always we have to concentrate on common elements. What are common elements here? We can see 2 and 2. So can be eliminated. Next 3, 3 can be eliminated. Next what do we left? What do we have here? 3, sorry. So we have 5, 7. This is what the B minus A. Then we can represent through the Venn diagram. Through the Venn diagram, we can find B minus A. So what we are doing here, from B, we are subtracting A. So from B, we are subtracting A. Means complete A part is eliminated, removed from here. So only we should consider this part. So what are the elements are appearing in this? Just 5 and 7. Therefore, B minus A is equal to a set of 5 and 7. If A minus B means we are removing B and B minus A means we are removing A.
Here let us observe through Venn diagram how we represent A minus B. We can represent B minus A. So difference of sets A minus B. So please observe that A minus B, the yellow color shaded part as A minus B, and observe the beside figure b minus a where the gray color shaded part. So here a minus b, b minus a. So from a, when we subtract the b, and that is a minus b, and when we subtract a from b, that is as b minus a. So this is what about a minus b and b minus a. Next, let us see here example how to find difference of two sets. If a is equal to 2, 3, 4 elements and b is equal to set of 4, 5, 6 elements. Now when we do the a minus b, we get 2, 3, 4 minus 4, 5, 6. So 4 is a common element between both the sets. So 4 is removed and the remaining elements of only a as 2 comma 3. Therefore a minus b is equal to set of 2 comma 3. And if you do a and b are disjoint sets, then a minus b is equal to b minus a. Disjoint means there is no common elements, but we have here 4 is a common element, so that a minus b is not equal to b minus a. Only in the disjoint sets we get a minus b is equal to b minus a diagram. In the set of x elements a, b, c, d, e, f, g, h and set of y as a, e, I, o, u. If we do x minus y, the common part of a, e will be removed. So from x we removed y. So the remaining elements of x as a is not there. So b, c, d, f, g, h and y minus x, if we observe x is removed, so that I, o, u are the elements of